Hello and welcome to Crafty Learn Spanish. Today we're looking at diphthongs, dippy thongs, or dip your thongs in the water. No, these are two vowels together. That's all it is, a diphthong. Stupid word, I know, but I don't make them up. So this is just going to be a quick one. Okay, so as you can see, we have lots of diphthongs, but they're not too bad to learn. Once you learn them, you're okay. Okay, so don't worry, just take it easy. We're gonna go one by one. I'll give you some Spanish examples. I've just taken this from this. There's a great thing here that I might put in the SpanishDict.com, which is a Spanish dictionary. Great place. Completely recommend it if you have problems. So let's begin. Okay, right, so we'll begin with the first one. So you have two, the a and oo, if you remember, but together, ow. Let's say ow, ow, my foot. Okay, this is the other thing. Ow, ow. What you do is what happens with the diphthongs in Spanish. It's that you say them so fast they become a different thing. Ow, ow. So ow, 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 and it sounds like ow, aula. And here's some examples. Aula, which is a classroom, and aunque, which is although. Don't worry about remembering these words, but I just want you to hear them. Aula, ow, ow, aula, ow, aunque. Okay, the next one is when you have a and e, or a and I, and a and y, or a and y, if you remember. You have the I. Strange. So we have it for two words. Aire. So that's air in English. Aire. And I. Remember, we don't pronounce the H. Don't worry about that. We'll go more about pronunciation in the next one. So that means there is. This next one's a bit difficult, I think, because we don't have this sound, but it's like ooh. For example, Europa. So you're like Europa, and generally you think anyway with Europe. So don't worry. Neutral, neutral, and ooh. So it's a ooh. So what you want to do is, well, we'll talk about that next class when we'll talk about pronunciation. The next one, a, or a, y, or in English, e and I, e and y. A. Rey, right? Rey, reina, and the rey, that's queen and king. Reina, the rey de España, he's called Juan Carlos, but in short they call them Juanca. So there you go. Juanca is Juan Carlos, which is the rey of Spain. Traditionally they call him Juanca. Oh dear. I don't know why, and I don't know what that word means either. That's the funny thing. So reina, rey. Okay, I and a, yeah. So piano. Okay, piano, which is piano, and thea, which means towards. Okay, a and e, yeah, as in yeah. As this, so the examples is tierra, because you have to roll the r's, tierra, and now that's just earth. And serpiente, yeah. Okay, I know, yo, radio, unión, yeah, radio, yo. Okay, you, viuda, which means widow, and viuraz. I'll explain this. Dath, when you have a D on the end, it's like a th instead of a thing. I don't think that came up last time, but it only happens with a few words. So I'll mention them while I do them. So it'll be ciudad, which is city, of course, in Spanish. Of course, like you knew. Oh, sorry. Shut up, Crafty. Oi, toy isn't toy. Boina. I don't even know what that word is, you see. Don't even know it. I just got them. An oi, which means today. So there you go. Oi, today. U and a, you and a. Alright. Put water. Agua, because it's a wa sound. Wa. Agua, which is water. Funny enough. Un cuadro, which is like a square, or could be a picture. A picture frame, you know. Okay. We. So that sounds more like the we. Fuego, which is fire. Trueno, which is thunder. Fuego, trueno. We. And ui, which is we. So fuimos, and huir, we. So you get that sound. We. I'm repeating these sounds so you can, when you can rewind them and do it. So don't worry. Uo. Alright. That's uo. Quota. Individuo. Duo, as in duo. Individual. Quota, as in the quarter. So there you go. That's all the sounds, right? So we'll just ow, I, Europe. Really, you can say Europa. It sounds better than saying ew. Just say them really fast together. Ew. Alright. E. Hey. Yeah. I'm not yet. Yet. Yo. You. Oi. Wa. We. Wo. Now I wasn't looking at this bit here, so I was just saying the vowels very quickly. Au. Aula. You say them and when you say them, practice them apart. Au, like that, silent. Au, au, and then knock them together. Au, and it'll sound like that. So ai. That's all the diphthongs are, you see. So repeat them. So I'll just go through them. Au, I, u, I, ya, ye, yo, oi, wa, we, o. Okay, there you have them. Repeat, rewind, and then you've got all of them and practice them. Okay, so you'll find a lot of these, especially in verbs, so be careful. Okay, so there you go. So next time it's pronunciation and stress. Hope you have a good one. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.